Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit the product from Alibaba or AliExpress for dropshipping and to remove the logo on the product images. I'm starting by removing anything that will show that this product was imported from Alibaba. So I'll remove the seller information, the seller store information and stuff. I'll also remove this product image. This one looks okay, there is no any trademark or any logo. This one is okay, this one is okay, this one is okay as well. This one is okay. I think I have a problem with this. It's just a stitching. And this is okay, it's showing my product actually. What I don't want is this, which is showing types of carbon fiber. I don't need this, so I will have to delete it. I'll start by removing it. And this I will delete. Also types of steering. I'm only selling one type of steering, so I'll delete this. Other ones, I have to delete them. Just press delete. Press delete. Delete. This one is okay. So now everything is done. Now it's time to delete the photos or the product photos with the logo or any watermark. I'll delete them all. Then I'll copy the title of the product which I'm editing, and I'll paste it into another page. Then you go to images, you start to look for that image which you want, and you download it. So now I want to check the exactly same thing which I'm selling. So by doing that, I want the one with the lights. I think this one looks okay. This is not the one I want. This is not the one, there's no lights there. You have to make sure it's the same thing which you are downloading, guys. You have to make sure it's the same thing. This is very important. Now I have downloaded file. Right, file name, steering wheel, lights. Now I have successfully downloaded the product. Now it's time to edit the product. I'll go to my Photoshop and set my product. Then one click with the blade, move the background. Now it's time to remove the logo. It's done. It's very simple. You don't need any design experience, you don't need any Photoshop experience. As long as you have Photoshop, it will be easy for you. Especially when you are doing dropshipping, you must have Photoshop. Now it's time to save. When you are saving this file, you must make sure that it's a PNG file. It's not a PNG. If it's a PNG, we are going to show the background. After I have saved the file, now it's time to upload those pictures which I just edited without the watermark on it. So you go to the product image, upload files, upload. It's very simple, guys. Anyone can do this. Especially, as I said, guys, if you are doing dropshipping, you must see everything. Publish, or I'm updating. But if it's a new product, you have to publish. Now I just updated because it was an existing product. Here's my product, guys. There is no watermark, and the price, as you can see, guys. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. See you next time.